was out. But then it comes back soon. So today we are going to hunt this bale. We call it we call it John's bale.
Take the Ranger. All the way down to that hay bale park.
Okay, so this is John's bale. Big John is my grandpa. He hunts with my dad, but recently on Christmas Eve he died. That's super sad. But he was suffering from brain cancer, and he had a tumor. So it's really sad. But yeah, he was suffering for a long time. He was suffering for about 15 months. He had a brain tumor, and it was really sad with a brain tumor. Then he died on Christmas Eve. But he was suffering for a long time. And usually people who have brain cancer, who have a tumor, usually they live for about 5 months. First he went to Duke, it's a hospital, and then when they removed his brain tumor, and then what they did next, first they removed his brain tumor, then they put staples in. Then he went to this place in Greenville, it's called hospice, or something like that, hospice, and he got his staples out, he recovered, he got out last year in December, on December 20th, he got in earlier in the year of December. So just keep watching, and please like our video, and please watch the whole video. It's gonna be really cool. Okay.
Your seat's right over there.
Okay.
Do not touch the fence.
I'm not. This is an electric fence. It will shock you. I've touched it before and it hurts. So if you ever see one of these fences like that, don't touch it. Ask an adult to help you get something from it that you dropped. So we're dove hunting. Okay, I'm on the other side of the hill right now. We're gonna hunting today, so that's exciting.
What time is it?
It is, let me see. It is 2 o'clock.
You probably turn it off for a minute.
Huh? I'll keep recording for a second.
Make it too long, you won't.
No, you can make some people make like an hour videos. Like an hour video. No, I'm not doing it that long. I'm just gonna get it to about 10 minutes, and if we don't shoot a dove by then, I'll turn it off.
Sure. Go, get. Stay. I'm gonna move this
The decoy.
Yeah.
That's what it is, flapping. Chance. Shh. Shh. Okay. Chance.
I'm gonna walk back here. I'll be right back.
Okay.
What are you videoing?
I'm just videoing. So that's not that. Okay, so this is the decoy. I'll zoom in. It's not that It's not as far as it looks. It's not very far. It's about 20 feet. If you're in kindergarten watching this video and you don't know how to tell feet, let's just put it this way. Let's say about, give me a second. Let's say, about, I would say about 20 share-size Skittle bags. Let's go with that. Okay, so I don't know if y'all have seen my face before, so let's show you it. Hi. Okay, so you may be asking, is that your jacket? No, it's not. It's my dad's. Yeah, it's very big. But it's warm. And later, do you actually want to see someone? I'll show you our horses. If you're a horse lover like me, this is a video you should watch soon. Then I'll give you maybe a little tour of our house. And yeah, it's a farmhouse. And we do a lot of hunting here. It's very fun. Okay, I kind of lied. 10 minutes. This is at like 6 minutes and 45. It's at 7 minutes now. So, how about 15 minutes? Please watch this. You are? You is?
I is, dog.
What's that? What is that? This is Chance. She hunts with us. Sadly, she vomited this morning. What was that big black thing?
Mulch.
Mulch. Okay, well, Chance eats dead worms off the sidewalk. She eats crayons. She eats chocolate somehow. I don't know how she eats that chocolate.
Hey, Dad, do you have any chapstick in your purse?
In my pocket?
You need some?
No, I'm good.
Looks like you need some.
And yeah, she'll eat about anything.
That's it, dude.
Okay. I'm gonna show you a little bit. So over there, I'm assuming. Over there, that little blue part, that's our pond. All these are dead sunflowers. We grow sunflowers in the summer. Then all the doves and ducks eat the seeds. So yeah. Then over there, that cross was for our dogs that died, Jet and Teal. We put their collars there. Then what else do I have to show you? Okay, then okay, yeah. Okay.
Dude, you're gonna kill the battery.
And there's corn crops right there. Then there's my dad. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what. This is what they wrap hay bales in. It's so annoying getting your feet caught in them. Okay, let's get my foot out of that. Okay, there. It's very beautiful. Okay. So, watch part 2.